So it's a trend right now on YouTube where dropshippers go over the top products for each month, which is cool, I respect it, but they never actually go out and test those products themselves. That's why in this video, I wanted to take it up a notch, and over the next 3 days, I will be selling the top 3 Shopify dropshipping products of 2020. If you've been dropshipping over the past year, you probably have seen these products or at least heard about them. Now, each one of these products I will be doing on a different day. So day 1, I'm doing product number 1, day 2, product number 2, day 3, product number 3. So we're gonna compare and see which one sells the most. And each one of these products, I'm gonna be spending around $100 on advertising for it. And speaking of that, I actually also won my affiliate marketing course from my previous video. So if that's you on the screen right here, just DM me on Instagram and I got you. But check me out, if I actually do get to that $200 in profit, now y'all know me, you know what I'm saying? I be taking these challenges serious, like I don't play around. But if I actually do, then I need y'all to drop a like on this video. You feel me? I feel like that's a fair deal. You know, if I don't, I owe someone $100. If I do, yeah, I gotta drop a like on this video. Bet, say less. Let's get right into this video, man.
Subscribe to the Black Hustlers Club for the culture.
Let the games begin. It is currently 11:15, October 12th. Yes, sir. So the first product on my list is called the Wonder Brush. I found this product on a website called Dropship Rabbit, and it's basically a brush that detangles your hair. Now, I actually sold this product in one of my previous dropshipping videos, and this product sold the best out of all of my other challenges. And if we actually take a look at this product on AliExpress, we can see that it has over 6,000 orders on it. So you know it's some pressure, and you know it's one of the best selling products of 2020. Now, with that being said, I got one of the best products of 2020. I got to work on building the store. Now, you know me, I had to add my sauce to it, and I had to make it nice and clean, and here's how the store came out. So the site is complete, and as you can see, it's called friendlydeals.com. Quality products at affordable prices, and it's a one product store selling the Wonder Brush. Let me actually click on it, but everything looks good with the site. I got some good photos on it. I'm selling it for $18.99. I got a good description. Let's see, I got some reviews on it. I got everything that you need to make a good Shopify dropshipping site, as you can see right here. You know what I'm saying? So you know what time it is. I gotta take my bow because I did my thing with the site. After the store was done, I moved on to advertising. Now, since I sold this product before and I seen results with it, I thought to myself, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I used the same exact video that I used before and the same ad copy that I used before in my previous dropshipping challenge. And here's some examples of them on the screen right here. To get traffic to the store, I decided to go with Instagram influencers in the black community because the brush is more designed for black people. Cause you know, we got a certain type of hair, man. Everything don't work for our hair. If you black, you know what's up. So that brush is more designed for black people, so I decided to go with some black pages. So I ended up going with 3 pages, right? Now the first page, they charged me $25. The second page, they charged me $40. And then the last page, they charged me $30. Now the last one, that's actually my sister's page called the Black Success Club. You know we gotta keep the money in the family, you feel me? But in total, I spent $95 on promos. And at first, things weren't looking too good. You know, hours went by and I still had no sales. So at this point, I was feeling discouraged. I was thinking like, yo, this challenge, I might actually end up owing someone $100 by the end of this challenge because things aren't looking too good right now. But then I caught a break. Yes, sir. So I just got my first sale not too long ago. As you can see, it's 7:15 p.m. And as you can see, I made a sale where they bought 2 brushes and it came up to $37.98. And so far I have 29 visits on the site. Let me refresh everything so you know it's legit. Boom, yes sir, for the coach. And after that first sale, things started to take off and I got a couple more sales, and this is what I ended the night with. Yes sir, I went to sleep good that night.
The next day.
Yes sir, so it is currently 12/18, October 13th. Now the first 24 hours is complete, so let me actually pull up my store and we're gonna see how many sales I made. So as you can see, today I made $94.95 so far. Let me refresh that and let me go to this week. So for the week I'm at, how much is that? $227.88 so far, 9 orders. Boom, you know I'm gonna say it, I gotta say it. For the coach. Day number 2, I decided to sell one of the most saturated products in dropshipping history, posture correctors. Now this is also a product that I sold in one of my previous videos, so I kind of already had an idea of what to do with this product, but this product is very popular this year, and if we take a look at it on AliExpress, it has close to 2,000 orders on it. Now that doesn't even do this product justice because everybody and their mama has sold this product. So I went ahead and I added the posture correctors to the store. I didn't change the layout of the store too much. It was basically the same exact store with just one more product. To drive traffic, I went with Instagram influencers again, but this time it was a little tricky and I was a little confused on what pages to actually go with.
So I am confusion.
Because this is a very like broad product. Anybody could use a posture corrector. But I ended up going with one all women's page and then a couple yoga pages. So it was 3 yoga pages and 1 all women's page. So the all women's page, they charged me $25, and then it was one page that I reached out to. She was like, she got 2 other pages and she gave me a deal for all 3 of them for about $79, but I just rounded up to 80. So in total, I spent $105 on Instagram promos. So my first ad for the posture correctors is up, and as you can see, I got 15 visitors on the site. And I actually made it sell within the first 15 minutes. As you can see, it's about 1:56 p.m.
The next day.
So the results are in for the posture correctors, and as you can see, today I made $0 in sales, and yesterday I made 7 orders for $154, and about $60 came from the posture correctors, so I got about 3 orders. The third product that I decided to sell was this adjustable foldable laptop stand, right? Now, as you can see, the selling price is $39.99, production cost $15.99, and then the profit margin is gonna be about $24 on this product. Now, if we go over to AliExpress, right, we can see that this product has over 2,500 orders on it. So as you can see, this product is some pressure as well. A lot of people have been selling it. Now, I've seen this product everywhere. I'm pretty sure that you've seen this product everywhere as well this year, but I never sold this product myself. So this one is gonna be a little different for me, which is why I decided to do something different to drive traffic as well. So I decided to go with Facebook ads this time. Now for this, I set up 4 different ad sets, and all 4 of these different ad sets are targeting something different. So as you can see, I got Apple, MacBook Pro, Tech, and then MacBook, right? So those are the different interests that I'm targeting, each for $25 a day, right? Here are the locations that I'm targeting. So Australia, Canada, Germany, France, United Kingdom, Ireland, Italy, and then the United States, ages 18 to 24. And then I'm targeting Apple for this one, and then automatic placement. So that's basically it for the ad set. Let me show you guys the ad. So for the ad, I used the same exact ad as the dropship rabbit gave me right here. So if we scroll down, I used the same exact ad. I used the ad copy as well. So we actually go back to the ads, you can see that same ad copy, same ad, and everything like that. So that's the ad. I used that same ad for all 4 of the ad sets. So that brings us to where we are today. It is currently, oh, I got some money coming in, yes sir. But look, it is currently 3:08 p.m. October 15th, and I'm about to pull up my store right now, and I'm about to show you guys exactly how much I made from this store and how much I made in profit. So as you can see, in total for this week, I made $487.79. Let me refresh it. Boom, and I'll do it one more time. Boom. Now for the Wonder Brush, I made $227.88. I made $99.95 from the posture correctors, and then I made $159.96 from the laptop stand. So the Wonder Brush did the best for me once again, but that's probably due to the fact that I already had a strategy for that going into it. I already sold it before, so I knew exactly what to do. As you guys know, that's not all profit, so let me break down all of my expenses. So I spent $288 on advertising, $137.09 on product costs, around $12 in payment processing fees, and then I spent $14 on the domain name. Now I didn't have to pay for Shopify because they give you a 14-day free trial, and I'm still on the trial right now, so you don't have to pay for that. And if you guys want to get started with dropshipping is one of the best ways to make money online. I'm gonna leave a link down below for a 14-day free trial so y'all can get started with this as well. So in total, I made $36.70 in profit. Now look, I didn't hit my goal of $200 in profit, but I'm still grateful for the $36 because that's profit, man. It be like that sometimes. Sometimes you try out some things like the posture correctors that really messed me up. You know, the Wonder Brush did good, the laptops did alright, With the posture correctors, I didn't make any money on those, so that's what messed me up in this challenge. But either way, I still owe someone $100 in my next video. So all you gotta do to enter that giveaway is to drop a like on this video, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That's all you gotta do, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'm out for the coach.